It is a dream job. When I start talking about work, it just fascinates people and they want to go to the website and want to work here with me. They go, wow, you got a really cool job. And I go, yeah, it is pretty cool, really.
It's a very interesting, different culture. It's very nimble. The cycle is much faster and it's attractive.
The opportunity to interact and learn from people with these global perspectives is something truly unique.
Being able to have all this responsibility as a young engineer is thrilling, and I'm very happy to be a part of that.
I was looking for a place with great people to work with and a product I could really obsess about, and Liquid Robotics pretty much had me at Ocean Robots.
It's a fun problem-solving environment. Everyone is very passionate about finding that solution and making sure we delight the customer.
It's fun, it's challenging. I know what I'm doing is for the better good of everybody, for the whole planet and generations to come.
The kinds of skills that I'm getting to pull in and acquire from other people around me, it's awesome. It's really fun.
The most attractive thing to me are the people. Probably the smartest group of people I've ever worked with over my many decades long career.
People from marine science backgrounds, military background, operations. We've got an experimental aircraft pilot. Since what we're doing is unique, there's a really interesting mix of people that come to do it.
And they bring a huge amount of passion to what they're doing. And it's almost like everybody here is a true believer. And that's exciting to be part of that team.
We are helping companies and scientists and governments tap into ocean data that they didn't have access to before. And that opens up incredible opportunities to make the world safer and take on some of our biggest sustainability challenges.
That's what's so attractive about Liquid Robotics is we take what's novel and make it so that people can use it every day.
We have a vehicle that can be persistent and cover 90% of the Earth's ocean surfaces, collect all kinds of data that we've never been able to before. It's game-changing.
We have a product that is going to make a difference for our future, and it's really exciting to be a part of that. You cannot find this anywhere else.
There's not many places you can work where you can actually have that much effective change actually on the world.
We all have this common goal, working together and to protect the ocean. Yes, we want to do this. It's good globally. It's good for mankind. Let's do it together.
We all have the same goal, is to make the Wayfighters the best data gathering vehicles that we can, and it's just going to progress on and on from there, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do next.